Hi, I'm Anna Bramblett, and I'm here with my friend, Heidi Shuley. So I'm going to be presenting in front of her today. So yeah, thank you very much. So my topic is on how technology has been a big influence in our world today and how it could possibly be affecting our social skills. So basically, to start off, we all have seen the big influence of technology in our lives today, and we have seen that it does affect our lives in positive and negative ways, and there are very many positive ways that it has been advancing in our world today, and we are able to stem off of those positive things and create a better society. But in the long scheme, as we see many children growing up in the generation today, it is understood that as we use technology growing up, we are starting to lessen our social skills. It's very important that we all have social skills and that growing up we can decipher social cues and when to speak, when not to speak, what's going on in a situation in a room. But as we dive into our technology and our phones and computers, we see that the more hours we spend on those devices, we start to lessen our social skills and we are not able to effectively communicate with people. Our attention spans start to lessen and we just have a difficult time connecting with people and all that stuff. From Dr. Nicole Bjerken, she says, increased technology has the potential to create social disconnection for young and older children alike, which can negatively impact the development of social and relational skills. Specifically, the more time we spend with devices, the more their social skills development suffers in the areas of relating and interacting with others and compliance with direct and ability to help others. So we see this in different studies that as we connect with our devices, we're not able to connect with people face to face. And the big areas that this affects is eye contact, conversational fluency, and spatial awareness, and as well as attention span. A recent study in Microsoft Corporation has found that digital lifestyle has made it difficult to stay focused, while the human attention span shortens from 12 seconds to 8 seconds in more than a decade. And cognitive science research shows that the brain has limited bandwidth. Dual tasking compels the brain to pull from some shared limited resources, and that slows the reaction time. And then when we engage to face-to-face communication, social information is conveyed by local and visual cues in the context of situation. Nonverbal communication is an importance of communication and includes facial expression, eye contact, tone of voice, as well as posture, and space between individuals. And this was all a study from the Liberty Classical Academy. As we dive in, it's important that we understand we've seen this all around. We've seen children with their phones, and it's hard because we want people to connect with each other and we want them to be able to understand that it's important to connect and be with people on their level rather than just being consumed with your devices. We all use our phones and we all use computers nowadays, and it's very sad to see that people are just so consumed in technology, and they're like not being able to connect with other people, and it's hard to see that in everybody because we want as we grow up, we want our kids to be able to make connections with other people, and we want to see that they are effectively helping themselves and helping others rather than just being invested in their phones and technology. And yeah, thank you.